Okay, so first prize is a 55-inch TV. Second prize is $200 in cash. Third prize is jewelry from Lozano's Jewelry. All it takes is a ticket. $2, you guys. That's all it takes. $2 and you can win. So what say you guys? You guys want to buy a ticket? It's only $2. All the money goes to local charity. All local charity, you guys. So $2 and you could be in it. Oh, wow, she's reaching for her little purse. I like that. $2, you guys. Local charity, Boys and Girls Club, Camarillo High School. All right, now you can get 3 tickets for $5 or 6 tickets for $10. Yes, you want to do 6 for 10? Oh, she's doing 6 for 10. There you go, sir. If I can get some change there, let's get her 10 tickets. Wow, that is great. For 10. There you go. If we do, all I need is a name and a phone number. The name and a phone number. That should do it. And here's the change. Should I